Driver's ready. Quarter marshal's ready. Good luck on the tone. Invitational corrupt out front. Second spot is going to be Barry Baker, followed by Paul Lemieux. Paul winning the fourth spot. Clean, guys, trying to keep it clean. Our leader, through the S's. Round the carousel, Invitational corrupt, followed by Barry Baker. Paul Lemieux, Paul Wynn, Mark Reinhardt. Followed by Black Star, Tony Reinhardt and Mike Dumas. Invitational corrupt, coming out of the keyhole. Followed by Barry Baker. As they go on to the short shoot. Lap times identical. 13-6, 13-6 this time by Jonas. Oh, Barry gets in the corner. He's rolling. All right, it is Jonas pull away. As Barry rolled it. Lemieux right on his back bumper. 8 with the 2-car back by. Stop and go for the 8-car. Tony in the stop and go box. In the box, in the box. Stop. Go around, go around. Into the box. Go, Tony. Your leader right now, 320 in, is Jonas Corrupt. Barry Baker out front in second, rather. Here's the down the straightaway. It's Mark and Paul. Good pass from Mark Reinhardt in a 1-car. Mark Reinhardt all over the back bumper of Barry Baker. The race down the straightaway. Side by side, Barry to the inside. Reinhardt in the outside. Oh man, wheel to wheel, Lemieux, 3 wide, 3 keyhole. Oh my, wheel to wheel, door to door. Baker, Lemieux, Reinhardt and Wynn. Double up race, side by side. Minutes, 50 seconds to go, 2:50 to go. It is Jonas Corrupt out front in the 6, coming into the keyhole. Good job, Paul, thank you. It is Jonas. Oh, Paul rolls it. Oh, side by side through the sweeper. Marshall in the infield. It is Jonas in the 6-car. Second spot, Lemieux, followed by Wynn, Baker, and Reinhardt. Two minutes, drivers. 2 minutes to go. That time by. Oh, Blackstock, or Paul Wynn, rather. Pass going by Lemieux. Baker right behind him. Jonas Corrupto, big lead down the straightaway. It's Paul, Barry, and Mark. Minute 40 to go, 1:40 to go. Rolling again in the 3-car battle down the straightaway. Paul, and Barry. Jonas Corrupt just keeping it clean out front. We now have a minute 22 to go, minute 20 to go now. There's Paul Wynn. Lead Paul Lemieux and Barry Baker. Good block from Lemieux in the 5-car. Oh, Lemieux rolls it. 1 minute, drivers, 1 minute. Jonas Corrupt out front. Second spot, Paul Wynn in the 7, Barry Baker in the 3, Lemieux in the 5, Reinhardt in the 1. Race 2 to tech, please. Race 2 in tech. Battle between Lemieux and Reinhardt. Reinhardt got a run on down the straightaway. Whoa, to the inside. Good driving by both drivers. Lemieux holds his line. Reinhardt tucks it to the inside. Good pass. 20 seconds to go, drivers. Reinhardt just died coming out of the carousel. It is Jonas Corrupt in the 6. Paul Wynn in the 7. Barry Baker, Paul Lemieux, 6, 7, 3, 5. 10 seconds to go, drivers. That is time, drivers, that is time. Complete your lap, drivers. As they come around, taking a win in race number 1, Jonas Kurab. Paul Wynn finishing second, Barry Baker third, Paul Lemieux fourth.